Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.47 in the business sector, but momentum is taking a hit at minus 0.75. This divergence is notable. It suggests a sentiment uptick that isn't translating into positive action. You're looking at a potential signal where optimism exists, but there's a hesitation in momentum. Our API returns data that helps you gauge the current sentiment landscape and understand shifting trends in real time. Imagine integrating this insight into your trading algorithms, identifying when to act on optimistic sentiment despite underlying momentum issues. This could help you refine your strategies and time your entries more effectively. For a deeper dive into this data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.